Hi, I'm Shay Haskins from CIT Tech Tips, and I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN. Before we get started, I'm going to explain to you what a VPN is. I'd like to skip and go straight to the tutorial. There will be a timestamp on the screen. A virtual private network, better known as a VPN. A VPN gives you online privacy by creating a private network from a public internet connection. A VPN masks your internet IP address to keep you safe on the internet. You might be asking yourself, why do you need a VPN service? Well, if you're on an unsecured Wi-Fi, like at your local coffee shop, your data is not protected. Or your data that is being sent out and sent in can be intercepted by hackers to steal your information. The public coffee shop Wi-Fi doesn't protect you against this because it is unsecure and anyone has access to it. Now, how does it protect you? VPNs basically make a data tunnel between local network and your computer into another location, which could be thousands of miles away. This allows hackers not to be able to intercept your connection and put you in a different location of your choice. Here are some advantages and what your VPN hides. Your browsing history. Web browsers can track your search history and tie that information to your IP address. They can also, say you had a medical condition and you were searching on the web for information about treatment options. Well, without VPN, you'd share that information and may start receiving targeted ads. Your IP address and location. Anyone who gets your IP address can access what you've been searching on the internet and where you were located when you searched. A VPN uses an IP address that is not yours, so that you can maintain an online privacy and search the web anonymously. Your location for streaming. When you travel the country, you might not be able to watch some of the things you normally watch, but with the VPN, you can move your location to where you live and watch. Protects against identity theft. Identity theft occurs when thieves steal your personal information and use it to commit crimes in your name. Some of the crimes they could commit is taking over or opening new accounts, filing tax returns in your name, renting or buying a home in your name, and there are a bunch more. Now, what do you need to get started? First, you need a computer or laptop with Windows 10 installed, a VPN service. If you don't have one, I'll help you with that in a bit, and a stable internet connection. We're going to be using a remote access VPN because it's the most common type and connects users to a private network via secure remote server. Some VPN services I recommend are NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, and Proton VPN. First, I'm going to show you how to download it. First, you want to open up your web browser. You want to go to protonvpn.com. Now once you get to this page, you want to click Get Proton VPN Now. Then you can choose your plan, but for this I'm going to be doing the free version. So you want to click Continue with Free if you're also doing this version. Then you have to create your account. So for this, I'll just do my password, and then you have to repeat it. Then your email address. Complete the caption. Then I'll close here, and you'll be in your Proton VPN dashboard on their website. Now you want to go to your downloads page and download the Windows version. Now you want to click Download Proton VPN. wait for it to download. Now once it downloads, you want to double click on it. And it should open. It might just take a sec. Okay, so now once the setup is here, you want to click next. After you choose your language, wait for it. Then click next again. You can choose where you want to put it, but I'm just going to leave it where is recommended. Then you want to install. It may take a little to install, depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Then once it's finished, you want to click the finish button, and it should go to your desktop. You want to open the app on your desktop. It might take a little long to boot up the first time. Okay, so now you'll be prompted with your username and password screen. So you want to type in, and then you want to type in your password. So, because of the free VPN, you only have access to a couple of locations. That include Japan, Netherlands, and United States. We're going to first go over what everything does. The quick connect button will connect you to the fastest location. It'll make you safe as quick as possible. There's a long con. This is your secure core. It routes the most sensitive data through your safest servers and privacy-friendly countries. Then we have your Net Shield. Your Net Shield allows you to browse the internet without ads and malware. Next is the kill switch. The kill switch disables internet if the VPN connection drops to prevent accidental IP leak. Now the port forwarding. It speed up your torrenting and online gaming by allowing supported local apps to be reachable from the internet. Next, we have your Profiles tab. Here, you can create a profile, and you have your standard, so you can do the name of the profile, select the country you want, and the server. And then you have your secure core one. Then you have a peer-to-peer, and then you have a Tor browser. Okay, now let's try the quick connect button. It might take a little, I might not connect immediately. When it connects, it should look somewhat like this. There should be a blue line connected to the home thing to the location it put you. You will also be able to see your up and down and how much the load is. And you also will be able to see what you set your IP address to, and you'll have all these stats. If this is all correct and you see all this, then you have set up your VPN. If it does not work, I will be linking some problem-solving guides in the description. Thank you for watching. CIT Tech Tips signing off.